Ready to transform your Monopoly Go game from frustrating to fantastic. Let's unlock the secrets to dominating the board in just 90 seconds. First, property acquisition. Focus on completing sets. Early game, prioritize cheaper sets to quickly generate rent. Later, aim for orange and red properties. Statistically, they're landed on the most. Dice management is key. Don't just blast through them. Use the dice multiplier strategically. When you're 68 spaces away from a valuable property or a railroad, crank it up, otherwise, conserve. Events are your best friend for rewards. Actively participate, even if you don't aim for the top spot. The milestone rewards are packed with dice, cash, and sticker packs. Pay attention to the event requirements and adjust your strategy accordingly. Stickers are more than just pretty pictures. Duplicate stickers can be traded for stars. Use those stars to open sticker vaults, especially during sticker boom events, to maximize your chances of completing sets and earning huge rewards. Maximize your investments. Once you complete a property set, upgrade it as quickly as possible. The return on investment for each upgrade skyrockets. Don't be afraid to level up your board with railroads either. Remember these tips: strategic property grabs, calculated dice rolls, event dedication, smart sticker trading, and aggressive upgrading, and you'll be well on your way to Monopoly Go glory. Now go out there and dominate that board.